When he was in Rajasthan, he contributed in setting up proper drinking water facilities, for which he was been awarded Karamveer Chakra. He also helped in rehabilitation of HIV women, for which he was been awarded Karamveer Puraskar. These are the highest global civilian honors given by the International Federation in partnership with United Nations. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who has been awarded with Karamveer Puraskar, Karamveer Chakra, one of the highest awards in India for social work. Yes, he is no other than social worker, investment banker Nolan Mascarenhas. Nolan belongs to Anjuna village of Goa. He is actually Dr. Nolan Mascarenhas. Yes, he is a PhD holder and he also holds 2 master's degree and 4 diplomas. Growing up with grandparents, he learned what is karma, how he can give back to society. Due to his corporate job, he used to travel a lot, UK, LA and other parts of the world. Wherever he travelled, he made sure he gave back something to society. When he was in Rajasthan, he contributed in setting up proper drinking water facilities, for which he was been awarded Karamveer Chakra. He also helped in rehabilitation of HIV women, for which he was been awarded Karamveer Puraskar. These are the highest global civilian honors given by the International Federation in partnership with United Nations. In 2012, he lost his grandmother. That time he decided to settle back in Goa and do something for Goa. Living his luxurious life and coming down to Goa was not so easy. He still remembers the day when he got his first paycheck in Goa, which was not even 2% of his previous job. Living in his parents' basement for 8 months was not so easy. Then he decided to restore the ancestral house, which is his gift back to his ancestors. The house has completed 100 years last December. The video is not paused, the story is paused. Why? Because you didn't hit the like and subscribe button. Fast. Thank you. Nolan has contributed a lot to Goan society. One of his great initiatives was the Poder Chronicle. One evening when he was passing by the road, he saw a Goan Poder with his cycle late night waiting for customers. It was 9:30 p.m. and he had not sold his breads. So he decided to help the local Goan Poders. He contacted the restaurants he knew and introduced the different type of Goan bread on their menu. He also brought back the old memories of Goans of how we used to have a kakon with tea. In such a way, he helped the Goan Poder increase their sales. He also visited their bakeries and helped them financially restore back their bakeries. For this, he was also facilitated by the Goa government. One interesting fact about Nolan is that he is 95% vegetarian. Yes, if you all want to turn vegetarian, his simple advice is just enter the commercial kitchen. But there is one thing common in between us, that is, we both love choris pav. Impossible for a Goan to say no to choris pav. In this short video, I could tell you only this much about Nolan. If you all want to know more, comment down and we'll get back to you with part 2. And yes, Nolan is also an investment banker for the past 14 years. Nolan's message to young generation is, God has given you a lot, give little back to society. And yes, try to be kind. He said to try. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. जो धुबल्यांच्या उल्याक कान बेरे कोत्ता तो आपुणूय उलो कोत्तलो आनी ताचे कोण आयकोचो ना.